In January of 2025, our client had a DR of 9. Fast forward a couple of months, in December of 2025, they now have a DR of 26. That's a pretty big increase in just a couple of months. And we did this all with spending $0 on backlinks, link insertions, or guest posting. So, how exactly did we do this? People often have the misconception that if you want to grow your DR, you need to buy backlinks or pay for partnerships. And while that may work before in 2025 and 2026, if you're buying spammy or irrelevant backlinks, it doesn't really move the needle. And if you don't have the budget to do so, it's just a waste of money. So let's talk about how we were able to increase our DR so drastically without spending a dollar. So instead of doing outreach for backlinks or partnerships, we just focused on building our topical authority. As you can see here, from January of 2025, we can see we had about 78 organic pages. And each month we increased heavily at least 30 or 40 pages. And majority of those pages were blog posts and articles. So we can see here that we went in 1 month from July to August, almost 100 articles we created and posted on our website. And we did that continuously. So again, we started the year with 78 organic pages. And at the end of the year, we have over 596 organic pages. Again, if we take a look at our CMS from Webflow, this is where we create all of our content. These are our blog posts and articles. We have over 608 articles. So we focused on the beginning on building our topical authority. And think about it this way. If you write an article and your article is now within the top 10 results on Google for a specific topic, if someone else now is new and they're writing on that article, they're going to want to try to find sources for that article. And if your article is ranking in the top 10 again, they're going to use you as a reference. So you will passively get backlinks. And this is not theory. Let me actually show you this in practice. We got a backlink from a 90DR website, which is verywellhealth.com, a huge, huge website with over 12 million domain traffic. So we got a mention from them for completely free. We paid them nothing, but because our article was ranking and because our website had so much authority when it came to that topic, because we wrote so many articles, they had to essentially use us as a reference within their articles. So that's how you passively get backlinks is by writing really, really good content and becoming a trusted source. If I go to sources right here within the 12th source, our article that we wrote on piercing bump was actually referenced within this article. And if we go ahead and take a look at our article, this is why it's so important. And I preach on this channel that when you're writing content, even if you're using AI, that's completely fine. Write content that's useful, write content that is researched in depth and has engaging elements. For example, we have a piercing bump quick answer HTML element that looks really, really good. It's FAQ style, it's easy, it increases your engagement. And as you can see, this article has another HTML element as well embedded within the article because we want our articles to stand out. If we're using AI and we write just content using AI, it can be surface level, and that's what everyone else is doing. But by taking the secondary step of creating these HTML elements embedded within your articles, that's how your articles will stand out. And I believe this is the reason why these articles are ranking so high. And once you're ranking high, other websites will naturally link to your articles, and you pay $0 for that. So again, this is the full article. The way that we're able to automate creating content that's really, really high quality, SEO optimized, engaging, and different and research backed without spending hours on a single article is by using WordRocket. So when generating content using WordRocket, you can actually toggle on or toggle off live web research. If you toggle it on, it will have live resources that we search and we cite within the articles. You also have the ability to enter in an HTML element or an widget, and you can actually describe which widget you want to include within your article. So that would be the example of this HTML widget that we inserted. So you can actually automatically generate these HTML widgets in all of your articles. You can internally link, you can turn on and on off citations, and you can also now generate images within your content. If I take a look at any of our articles here, we can see that we get a custom blog post cover image, and we get a custom image that's relevant to the article. And these are high quality images with our internal links, tables, lists, everything that you need in an article, you get it. As you can see, here's another custom image in which we get back here. And this is beautiful. It goes so well within your articles. You look at this, it seems as though you took time. It seems as though it's not just AI, but it's, a step ahead of just AI written content. And as I mentioned, you have your references included at the end of your article if you want that as well. And it just increases the authoritativeness of your content, which again increases the likeliness that you rank. And if you rank higher, then other websites will then naturally cite your articles, which will give you a passive backlink strategy. So instead of wasting money buying these backlinks at the beginning, especially when your website has no traction, focus organically on building your topical authority. I've done a whole video on creating your content map and your keyword map when it comes to writing your articles and your blog posts and organizing it in a way in which you would have unlimited content. So if you want to see that video, I'll leave it in the description below today's video. But once you have your content map and you have your articles with the keywords and the blog post titles, you can organize it into a CSV file like this. And what you can do is you can actually bulk generate up to 20 articles at once. So you can use WordRocket and you're using your own API key, so it wouldn't cost you a lot of money. Head over to bulk generate, customize your word count, your tone. You can choose whichever model you would like to use. You can enable live web research. You can include your brand voice. You can include images. You can include internal links, and you can auto post to WordPress as well. So you can generate your content, auto post it to WordPress, and literally not have to do anything, right? So we can generate up to 20 articles at once. Just paste that in here, hit parse topics, go to continue to review. And in this step, you can actually edit each one of the articles if you like. If not, you can send this over and this will generate all 19 articles for you. So this is how easy it is. You can generate 300, 400 articles per month as easy within a couple of minutes using WordRocket. And then once your content is complete, if you auto post it to WordPress, you have to do nothing. If not, you just copy over your article and paste it onto your website. And again, once you do really good keyword research and competitor research, you now have a tool which automates creating high quality content quicker, less costly, but again, you're not giving up on the quality of the articles and the articles that will actually rank on Google. And if you do this, I guarantee you, you will have 10 to 15 articles that will start ranking, that will start bringing in search traffic, and also, and if it's ranking high enough, it will start to bring you in passive backlinks. So again, as you can see here, we got a secondary backlink from the same website, 90DR, for another one of our articles that we created using AI. And as you can see, this method works. This website has had tremendous growth over the past couple of months. We're hitting record high for search traffic each month. And some of these blog posts that we generated using this exact same method and using WordRocket is bringing in over 13,000 search traffic, 11,000 search traffic, 5 and 6,000 search traffic per month. As you can see, AI content level is still high, but it's still ranking because the quality of the articles are really good. So if you'd like to use my tool WordRocket, head over to app.wordrocket.ai or wordrocket.ai. You can set up and use it for completely free. But again, I want to stress this is the method that I recommend. You first do your keyword research, you find at least 1,000 topics or keywords in which you can write about. Use WordRocket to generate 100, 150 articles per month. Your efforts will compound, and at least 10 to 15% of those articles will start ranking, start bringing in traffic. You'll start ranking within the first page of Google. People will see you as an authority, and you'll start to get passive backlinks over time. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you learned something new. If you did, let me know by giving us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.